what do you think how Gen AI is impacting the landscape of data science?
So Gen AI, according to me, is playing a very important role in data science industry, AI, data science, machine learning, whatever you may want to call it. Typically, organizations use data science teams to build predictive models to generate business insights so that they can take sound business decisions and quick business decisions. So as you know that the whole Gen AI is based on a transformers framework, which is nothing but a neural network or a deep learning technique. So deep learning in the last few years has become quite pervasive. Organizations are using machine learning, deep learning in a huge manner, in a huge way, because of the advantage of accelerated computing. And players like Nvidia and there are other chip companies who have provided accelerated computing in the last few years. And this is going to improve as we move forward. And I know that companies have concerns about the cost related to running large language models or training large language models, and also from an inferencing standpoint. So both of these aspects will become far more cost effective as we move forward, as the technology evolves. There are different kinds of models companies. There are companies who are building large language models. So whether it is Meta or Google or Anthropic. So there are different companies who are building their large language models. So obviously they are able to build those models because of accelerated computing and techniques which have come up, the high-end techniques which have been developed of late. Then there are companies like us, Transform Analytics, where we are focusing on the application development. So using large language models for different business requirements, whether if we have to use it, say, for in an organization where you want to create a chatbot where employees can ask questions to HR about the HR policies. So you can use LLM and also use along with that internal documents, which are internal policies of that company, to answer the questions to employees through that chatbot. You can use RAG frameworks. So that is one example. Other example could be, say for instance, for contract negotiations, you want to build a model. So you can fine tune models. You can host the model on your instance, cloud instance, and you can fine tune the model by injecting contract and negotiations related data. So companies are using different ways to leverage it. The best way is to build small proof of concepts initially, try to use it, and then expand it to a more production ready kind of a model.